Welcome once again. You are welcome to my channel once again. Master Joe also. Um Today a quick one. I'll be revealing um how to get a Pioneer account, how to get a working Pioneer account here in Nigeria or in any part of the country you're watching from. So um for a quick reminder, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do good by clicking on the subscription button. Turn on the notification icon to enable you to have access to my latest and new content coming soon. And again, give us a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up, comment down below as well. So right now I'm going to jump into my laptop screen, into my browser rather, to teach us to do a quicker work. So let me minimize my webcam. So I'll go to my browser, which is Chrome. You can go to any browser you are comfortable with, either your Mozilla or your Chrome or your Safari, any browser you are comfortable on. So now I'm in my Chrome browser right now, as you can see. So you visit Payoneer Payoneer.com for a quick one. For those people that doesn't know Payoneer accounts, what's Payoneer account mean? Payoneer account is a kind of online account that you can pay to or someone can pay to it. It have access to receive money and send money. If you are doing online business, so you need to have a working account at which you can receive money, you can receive funds, or if you want to transfer funds, maybe you want to transfer funds, you want to buy something online, so you need to have a working account at which you can be using to do your transaction online. So, and one of the platform at which you can receive money or pay money is Payoneer.com. So now I'm going to walk you through on how to register, how to have a a verified Payoneer account. So because it's not all Payoneer that are verified that are working. Some people will just register, they will believe that they've gotten the account, not knowing that they just registered, they just sign up, they did not, their account is yet to be verified. And once your account is not verified, definitely the account you will not be able to have access to get paid or make any transaction with it. So now I'm going to put you through all the procedures, all the steps, and trust me, it's not as difficult as you think it will be. It's very easy to have, it's very easy to access, and it's very easy to open. So this is my Payoneer. This is their site, Payoneer.com. So now you are going to click on this register button that is here. Look at it, having this arrow. You click on it. After clicking on it, it will bring you to this interface where there is freelancer or so online seller, affiliate marketing, marketer, sorry, vacation rental host, sorry, vacation marketer, sorry, rental host, individual. So now you are an individual. It's either you select this freelancer or individual. If you're an affiliate marketer, you go for this. So as for me, I'll go for this one, but I would advise either you go for this one or you go for this freelancer. So let me go for this one. So as you can see, looking good. I'm looking to get the full power of Payoneer to both send and receive global payment. Look at what I was telling you. Send and receive money between friend and family. Order a prepaid card. So it's either you choose this. So um you are to get the full power of Payoneer to both send and receive global payment. So let's click on this one. After clicking on that one, it's brought us to this interface. This freelancer agency or service provider getting paid by clients or via marketplace. As you can see, get paid by leading marketplace, including Upwork, blah, 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 blah. Get paid by your global clients. Withdraw your earning to your local bank account at low rates. And for a quick one, this Payoneer account, after you must have registered and verified, you need to link your local bank account to it, because once you are being paid through via your paper account, now there's a platform. There's a platform at which you connect your Payoneer account to your local account so that you can withdraw rather your money to your local account. So this is what it's telling you. Withdraw your earning to your local bank account at low rates. So now they're going to click on registration and register. As you can see, individual tick. That's tick individual for us because it's already ticked it. So now you're going to input your name. You input your first name. First of all, you start from first name, which is your name. Okay, it starts from your name. Your last name, as you can see, your last name, your email, your whatever. Oh, now Payoneer does not support multiple mail. Once cutting email. Once you've registered, the thing supports multiple registration. Once you've registered before, you cannot register second time. It will not go. So, for example, now this is my data, my information. This is my name. This is my surname. This is my email. This is my email again. So this is so date of birth. I'm trying to see if I can, mind you, any data you are inputting on this um site, make sure that it is the information that is in your maybe national documents. It could be your driver license. It could you see, it could be your driver license. Could also it should be your what's it called, a national ID card, your name. So because you are going to verify it, there is a space at which you ask you to verify it. So if by verifying it is either you they ask for your name card number or your driver license or so. So if the information you are putting here does not correspond with the credential or um, the national card they ask you to upload, definitely they will not approve it. It will not be approved. So now a quick one, like I said, we allow only one account per person. The reason why it's showing this one is because I've registered. I've registered. So like I told before, they only support one account. They don't support multiple. So I'm just trying to brief you to give you a quick one. So um, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to my own account so that I can see the inside of it. Okay, so I can see the inside of the Payoneer.com. I hit sign in. So you can see it's loading. I hit sign in. This is my password. I put my password. Account block. Okay, traffic sign. Okay, I'm trying to input my password. Okay, sorry, password. Please don't forget your any password input. Don't forget it because if you forget it, you have problem logging in. As you can see, bridge. As you can see, it's asking me to do some certain things. It's asking me to do some certain things which I'm not comfortable with. But let's see what comes up on. Let's see what it will bring up. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, okay. I'm trying to reset my password. That is why I said any information you are putting down, make sure it is valid so that they can ask you again at any time. You have to make sure it's valid. It's a valid one. You have to make sure it's a valid information you are putting so that you will not encounter any difficulty. You will not encounter any difficulties. Let me check spam. Don't know why this is taking time. Let me put you in a shorter form. Don't know. Gosh. Okay, I'm still I'm still checking it. I'm still checking it. I'm having click verification on crosswalk, crosswalk. It's asking me to tick crosswalk, crosswalk. I think there's none. Code. Seems they've sent me um a code on my phone, the phone that I used to register. So let me check it and input it. 24, 24, 5577. Okay. I submit. You can see your new password next time you sign in. Okay. To my account. You can see that this is the reason why it's not advisable for you to forget any information you are inputting. Because if you should forget any information they ask you, they will definitely ask you again. Once you cannot provide it, they block it instantly. So this is how this is the interface of your account. This is how it will appear. This is how it will look. So um this is my name. Okay, this is my name. This is um, withdraw and transfer. Withdraw and transfer. Withdraw and transfer. You can see. You can see this is the Zenith International Bank, Zenith Bank of Nigeria. This is the account that anytime I want to withdraw any money I receive from Payoneer, if I want to withdraw it to my local account, I use Zenith Bank. You can see Zenith Bank. This is it. Then I input the amount. I put the amount I want to withdraw. Then I click here. Instantly, the money will be transferred directly to my local account as my local currency. So they must have automatically it will be changed to your local currency automatically. So that's how it works. Again, come to withdraw and transfer here. You can see you click on it. It will bring you to this place. You can see USD, Euro, GPT. You can see these are the currency that you can is the money will automatically be in USD. So this is telling you that you can convert it to Euro and you can as well convert it to what? To GBP, that is pounds. So this is how it works. This is how Payoneer works. So um this is it. This is my net bank. You can see it has been approved. It has been approved. This is my Zenith Bank account. So, and I can as well add another bank account. You're not limited to one account. I might decide not to use Zenith Bank to withdraw. I might decide not to withdraw in my Zenith Bank. I might decide to use another bank to withdraw my money. So look at what it's telling us. You can add up to 14 accounts. So you can add 14. You can add your any various series type. You can add Zenith Bank. You can add Fidelity, any account. So far, it doesn't exceed 14. So this is what they are telling us. It's very safe. Using Payoneer is very safe, secure, and convenient to use. So that is that. So that is all about Payoneer. So um um ladies ladies and gentlemen, um as I've walked you through how to register on Payoneer, how to get a working Payoneer account with ease. So a quick reminder: if you've gotten value in this my content, my video, please do well once again by clicking on the subscription button, turn on the notification icon, and so enable you to have more of my valuable content that are coming up. And again, you can also give me a thumb up or a like in comments down below. Thank you. God bless.